From an all-in-one kit featuring all the essential hanging components you could ever need, including wires, nails, tapping screws, and more, to the most affordable drone equipped with 3 HD cameras capable of capturing breathtakingly vivid 8K photos. Here are some truly mind-blowing gadgets that are now within your grasp and will leave you in awe. K10 Max Drone. If you think a drone with a good camera can't be cheaper than $50, you're mistaken. This one has 3 HD cameras and takes really clear photos that look amazing. It's got smart tech that stops it from crashing into things, so you can fly it without worrying. It's easy to bring back if it goes too far, and it knows where it's going with GPS. You can use it for up to 18 minutes at a time, taking awesome pictures. It's got lots of cool features like folding up to carry around and staying within a set boundary. This drone helps you take awesome pictures and see things from new angles. Get ready to explore a plethora of mind-blowing inventions that are not just futuristic dreams, but tangible realities waiting to enhance your life. Mecha wireless headphones. Not quite a mecha shell or a cyberpunk Eye of Sauron, but it's definitely another funky looking case. Inside, you'll find another pair of earbuds with some impressive specs. They have the latest Bluetooth connectivity and low latency for smooth audio. The sound quality is top-notch with superb vocals, clear audio, and noise cancelling during calls. Plus, the built-in battery gives you about 5 to 6 hours of playtime. And here's a neat feature. You can place the case on the included stand to add a stylish touch to your desktop. EPA Travel Adapter. Forget about carrying multiple adapters for different countries. Now all you need is one simple solution. With just a single slide, you can charge up to 6 devices at the same time, and it's lightning fast too. This is a game changer for travelers because it can charge an iPhone halfway in just 30 minutes and fully charge a Samsung Galaxy in only an hour, according to the manufacturer. Whether you're charging a phone, a laptop, or even a smartwatch, this adapter supports various protocols to ensure quick charging for all your devices. Don't forget to pack this handy gadget in your bag before your next trip. Top electric screwdriver. If you've got a delicate fix to tackle, then this portable electric screwdriver set is exactly what you need. It's your ultimate companion for all your DIY projects. Along with a cordless screwdriver, you can also get 30 durable 1/4-inch screwdriver bits to handle various tasks. Before you start, make sure to check the battery life indicator. I recommend magnetizing the bit for extra stability while working. Plus, there's an integrated LED light to help you see clearly in dimly lit areas. It's designed to be ergonomic and easy to use with just one hand. And it even comes with a handy tool bag for convenient storage and portability. Viltrox SO5 RGB photography lighting. Who says you need big, heavy lights for good-looking pictures? Not anymore. This small light can go in your purse and make your pictures look great. You can control it with an app or with buttons right on the light. It has a strong battery that lasts a long time and can change to lots of different colors. It stays bright for 70 minutes and charges fast. There are 5 little lights inside that can be white, warm, or any color you want. They make your pictures and videos colorful and natural looking, so you don't have to spend as much time fixing them later. Oh, see that hole? You can put it in your camera too. Micro mount. What does your phone mount on your bike look like? It might be time for an upgrade to this sleeker and more dependable mount. Even though it's small, this mount firmly holds your phone in place on any road. One big advantage is that you can easily switch between holding your phone vertically or horizontally. Just twist it a bit. This mount works for almost all bikes and phones, even if your phone has a case on it. And when you take your phone off, the mount folds up and blends in with your bike, so it looks like it's meant to be there. Get set to be amazed by not just one, but 2 remarkable gadgets that will truly astound you. These incredible devices are readily available, waiting to take your technology experience to new heights and revolutionize your everyday routine. Prepared for X compressed towel tablets. Some things really need to stay dry, like pills, money, or USB flash drives. That's why every traveler should have this capsule. It's made of metal, so it's super strong, and the twisted top makes it completely waterproof. Plus, it's small and easy to carry around. There's a ring on top that you can attach to any carabiner or keyring, so it's perfect for holding pills. Oh, what's this? These are compressed towels made of bamboo. They're a perfect size, don't tear easily, and only need a little water to unfold. That's really smart. Gyus EDC MultiTool. Are you getting ready for a camping adventure? Don't forget to bring along this handy, portable mini tool. You never know when you might need it. With this tool, you'll have a screwdriver, ruler, bottle opener, and a bolt nut wrench all conveniently within reach. Need to start a fire or make a quick cut? Just use a small yet extremely sharp knife, and don't worry about accidentally opening it. The safety lock keeps it secure. In case of an emergency, you can use it to swiftly cut a seatbelt or break a window for a fast exit. In short, it's an essential tool that you wouldn't want to leave home without on your camping trip.